credentials of the president should be in writing. So dragging the name of the president is unfair, because this is where we move from the previous. So my advice maybe to the witness is, if there any written feedback from the people who denied him to all that crusade, he can table before the committee, number one, or he uses allegedly or niliambiwa, so that for benefit of all of us, because we are trying to establish what really happened, and we know many people say so and so has called me. Even you as a chair, you can say the speaker has called me, but as my brother Senator Wakoli has said, it should be in writing. If it is something that was said, let us treat it as gossip and deal with the facts as is, so that we protect the integrity of some of the officers, and we are live. So we don't want somebody else to be misbehaving and saying the president has called, or chairman has called, or senator so and called. So it is important that let us avoid throwing around. Let us avoid allow senator to finish. Can I finish? Allow him to finish. So that you don't allow throwing of names. It is not even neater, chair. So I beg you to take charge of the meeting and direct that the witness withdraws the drawing in of the names of the president, and if there is written that the county commissioner wrote back and told him the president has called and the CS has called, then we can take that and invite relevant agencies.
Chair, can I come in, please? I wanted us to Senator. I wanted us to give everyone an opportunity, and Senator at the back, Senator Senior, just say, and then we go to Eddie, and then we go to you.
Chair, I think the presentation by the witness was flowing.
Yes.
And flowing very well.
Yes.
And as a legal man, it is only when it appears prejudicial to this committee that we can intervene.
Yes.
I think it was giving a narration of the sequence of events, what happened and so on.
Yes.
And Chair, let us be careful as a committee so that we don't gag also the witness in his presentation.
Yes.
If we can make that comment without necessarily putting it in a manner that will actually is prejudicial to an office or to somebody, to it will be okay. And Chair, this investigation will not be complete minus a whole chapter by this witness here. So as our chair, I think we need to balance between the adding of value to our investigations and the rules and the procedures that we apply in the house. So I think that as long as we're within the framework of our mandate, I think it is still in order, Chair.
Senator Eddie and then Senator Senior there.
Chair, I just wanted to seek your guidance.
Yes.
Under standing order number 200.
Standing order 200.
Yes. It's just about our tradition of the composition of our committees, select committees.
Yes.
And we do know that we have had these several committees, created in Parliament, in the House, and with very clear composition mandate sometimes.
Yes.
And I know that this committee has got a responsibility to report to the House on the basis of these findings.
Correct.
Now I do also understand that the standing orders allow for friends of the committees, especially senators, to be able to participate in these proceedings.
Yes.
But I'm just seeking your indulgence as a chair. That in an event where we have got sometimes as many as friends that might come, will it be prohibitive to the work of the committee so that we don't open up more debates, so that the effect of the committee can be attained such that is there a limitation to what the friends of the committee can be able to engage in? because I'm just seeing a situation whereby if this seems like a very serious issue that has got a lot of interests, and we will have a lot of friends of the committee. So as a chair, you can guide, and my intention is not to limit the participation of those members, but to allow the committee to actually do its work effectively. So you can help us get on balance. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Chair. Senator.
Thank you, Chair. I would like to come back to what is the purpose of this committee, Chair? The purpose of this committee, Chair, is to go down deep into the roots of the issues that have been raised pertaining to the events which are religious, whether Shakahola or anywhere, and particularly we are discussing who really this man is. I will plead with my colleagues, and Chair, defend me. Please, Honorable Senator Eddie, please, I want the Chair to protect me.
Please, let the Senator be heard in time.
Thank you. I would like to mention to my colleagues, they don't have to sanitize anybody in this committee, because there is nothing adverse that the witness has actually said. He is reporting what he has done. Whether that information is for the committee to seek and inquire and ask whoever that has been mentioned, whether adversely or otherwise, except the President. I think it is important for that information to go to the record. What happens after he has finished his testimony is for this committee to sit and then make a decision whether there is a necessity for us to summon anybody else to come and clear the names. Otherwise, Chair, this would just be a sanitization exercise which has got no value, and I wouldn't want to participate in such an exercise.
Yes, Senator Hamida, you also have the mic.
Yeah, Chair, until now, let's proceed, and I don't see anything wrong for what Pastor Ezekiel has said so far. And maybe it's also another opportunity, maybe for others to know that people have been using the President's name. So this is, he wants to let it be open and very clear. Let him speak his heart out. I mean, that's what he came to do. So we need to understand, and I think what Senator Onyonka has said, we are the ones at least who are able to actually decide which information to pick and which one to leave. Asante.
Okay, before I give guidance, let me recognize a member of the National Assembly. Mheshimiwa, just put your name on record. You're also our friend.
My name is Apuri, member of Parliament Tigani East. I'm a friend of this committee. Thank you very much. Just a minute.
Yes.
Sababu yangu ya kuja hapa, nimeona kwa TV ya kwamba mkendelea mambo. Nikamwona clip Ombetsa pale, ilimpa 1.5 million, akablock simu yangu. Clip Ombetsa. Na hapa mbele Mwenyezi Mungu.
So,
nimepatia pesa pale Equity Bank.
Okay, that is
na natoka na nje.
So I think that is beyond the mandate of this committee. I think it's beyond the mandate of this committee. So can I give guidance on the issue at hand? Chair, the order members. Mr. Chairman, yes. Can I allow Senator Kalwale, because he hasn't spoken to this matter? Yes, Senator, and our government too.
Mr. Chairman,
okay, Senator Kalwale, you have the floor.
Mr. Chairman, as the chairman of this committee,
yes,
you also enjoy the powers of the Speaker
absolutely
of the House.
Yes,
to run this committee.
Absolutely.
The Speaker, if he finds that a member is out of order,
yes,
he has the power to order the member to exit chamber. You have seen the contribution of the Member of Parliament, who is not even a member of the Senate.
Correct.